Hello there, welcome to Jubilant. In this video, we'll guide you through Vtiger Round Robin by managing record assignments effectively while balancing workloads seamlessly in simple steps. Vtiger CRM's Round Robin extension is a powerful tool designed to automate assignments of CRM records, ensuring new customer inquiries, leads or support tickets, or any other module. To get started, create a new workflow. Select the target module that aligns with your customer assignment goals. Click on Add Action and select JB Round Robin. Here, Round Robin is assigning as sequentially. You can select multiple users to distribute leads across your team evenly and effortlessly in a rotating sequence. Select the required users from the drop-down list. Save the task and save the workflow to finalize your workflow settings. Next, let's create some leads. Subsequently, I have added 10 leads for the Round Robin assignment. Now let's check the list view for how Round Robin assignment works. Here you can see each new leads automatically assigned to the next available team member in the sequence, ensuring balanced distribution and efficient workload management. With Vtiger CRM's Round Robin extension, you can also automate assignments of CRM records, support tickets, or any other module. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to contact us at hello@jubilant.com. To know more about Vtiger CRM, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.